In 2020, freelancing accounted for 36% of the US workforce. It's no surprise that the number is still rising. Freelancers have complete control over their workload, projects, and clients. Companies are increasingly hiring freelancers to meet work demands during the pandemic. As a result, there are more potential freelancing employment than ever before, ranging from grocery shoppers to web engineers. Even if you've already built an online portfolio, if you've been looking for freelance gigs, you're probably aware of how difficult it can be. But don't worry, we've compiled a list of the greatest freelance websites in this video. Before we begin, if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button to get more videos like this. Let's get started. TaskRabbit. Check out the TaskRabbit website to make money doing things like grocery shopping and furniture assembly. TaskRabbit is a same-day service that links clients with freelancers to assist with a variety of daily activities. TaskRabbit, unlike most freelancing sites that provide professional assignments, offers a list of simple activities such as house cleaning, lighting installation, and delivery. Simply establish an account, choose your area and category, and set an hourly rate to get started. Every application will be reviewed and background checked by the TaskRabbit staff. The freelancer must pay a $25 registration fee once their profile has been approved. Then they can use the smartphone app to find jobs and manage their schedules. The pros of this freelancing site is you can choose a custom hourly rate and there is no service fee, and the cons is, it's only available in certain city areas. DesignHill. DesignHill is a creative marketplace where businesses can obtain high-quality design from professional designers and artists. Logos, websites, and brochures are just a few of the design jobs that are accessible. Signing up for an account will provide you access to a large number of freelance design tasks as well as design competitions. It's a fantastic opportunity to expand your portfolio and build customer ties. As a freelancer, you can use tools like a profit calculator and a business card creator to create your own stores and start selling globally on this platform. Clients are only charged service fees by DesignHill. As a result, a freelancer will get the complete amount of money from design assignments, contests, or store sales into their DesignHill account. The website accepts PayPal and Payoneer as payment methods. Servicescape. Servicescape is an online employment board that focuses on freelance writing, editing, and translation projects. Freelancers can use the site to create profiles and advertise them to a growing client base. The hiring procedure is what sets Servicescape apart from other platforms. Freelancers do not place bids or make proposals. Instead, they just wait for employment offers from clients. As a result, having a profile that sticks out is critical. Servicescape makes it simple for freelancers and employers to connect. Both sides have the ability to send messages and set up a conference call. Every month, Servicescape distributes income by PayPal, check, and Gusto. However, for each completed work, the site charges a 50% commission fee. The pros of this site is custom pricing structure, flexible scheduling option, and effective communication. On the other hand, cons of this website are high commission percentage and limited field of expertise. People per hour. People per hour, as the name implies, assists organizations in locating professional freelancers to hire by the hour or project. Various industries, such as public relations, marketing, and journalism, employ millions of freelancers. Freelancers can sign up for a free account and begin building a profile. Each application will be reviewed by the moderators before being approved. After being approved, freelancers can begin looking for employment in a variety of categories. Freelancers can send offers and determine their prices when working on a project. They can easily raise an invoice from their dashboard once they've finished. People per hour, like most freelancing sites, charges freelancers a service fee per client. The freelance website charges a 20% service fee on $350 in profits. Fortunately, as you work more, the charge will reduce. The pros of this site are automated invoice, location-based listings, and secure payment. On the other hand, the cons are that free bids are limited. You only get 15 bids per month. Dribbble. Dribbble is one of the most popular social media sites for creative professionals to meet, connect, and collaborate. This website is used by designers and artists to create portfolios and market their businesses. Using the internet to create a work portfolio will improve your chances of getting employed. Sign up for an account and upload your designs to do so. Another option for finding work is to use your browser to access a job board. The website offers a variety of work opportunities, including UI, UX design and content creation. Premium users, on the other hand, have access to freelancing job lists. A premium account will also have a higher ranking in the hiring search results. The pros of this site is that this is a large network, global community and most importantly abundant design inspiration. The cons of this site is lists of freelance jobs are only available with a pro version. 99 Designs. 99 Designs has a lot of possibilities for freelance designers seeking for work. It's a freelance platform dedicated to bringing designers and businesses together. From logo design to book covers to apparel and merchandise, there are a variety of design jobs accessible. You'll be directed to create a profile and include your employment experience once you've signed up. Your application will be reviewed by the curation team, who will establish your designer level. Your level determines how visible you are on the platform. You will be able to choose from a list of jobs by selecting industries, styles, and design categories. You must be a good designer to work on this platform. 99 Designs will charge a $100 introduction fee and a platform fee ranging from 5% to 15% whenever you collaborate with a new customer. Freelancers are paid by PayPal or Payoneer within 3 business days, and those with higher profile levels get paid even faster. The pros of this site is that it has a dedicated environment, payment security and active community. On the other hand, cons are high service fees and the designer level can be limited. FlexJobs. FlexJobs is a website that focuses on remote and flexible career opportunities, such as freelancing, part-time, and full-time positions. There are many different types of employment, ranging from education and training to journalism and writing. FlexJobs verifies that every job posted on the site is genuine. It checks and screens all job postings, weeding out scams and imposters. Users must join up for a subscription in order to locate freelancing work. The pros of this website is its scam-free, 30 days money-back guarantee and reliable support. Freelancer.com. Another freelance website is Freelancer.com, which brings together experts and businesses from all over the world to work on various projects. Clients can simply locate an expert of any type due to the wide spectrum of competence. You have the option to register as a freelancer or a business owner. To become a freelancer, you must first complete a brief registration form. Give specific details about your abilities, educational background, and professional experience. There are various contests, such as visual or design work, in addition to projects. These contests can help freelancers earn money while also getting positive feedback on their profiles. After finishing a work, each freelancer will be paid in full. For contests and fixed projects, however, the platform deducts 10% of your overall revenue. The pros of this platform is that it has a progress tracker feature, live chat and 24/7 customer support. On the other hand, this site doesn't have a friendly interface and there are spam clients as well as applicants. Fiverr. Fiverr is a marketplace that connects freelancers with businesses in need of digital services such as website design, content writing, and voiceovers. This freelance website makes it easy for freelancers and business owners to communicate with one another. Note that freelancers are referred to as sellers on the website, while their services are referred to as gigs, and business owners are referred to as buyers. Sellers can sign up for free, post their gigs, and establish their own prices instead of sending out bids. Meanwhile, customers can shop by browsing through several categories. When a buyer buys a gig, the system charges their account and puts the money on hold for them. After deducting a commission fee, the system will send freelancers 80% of the offered amount. The pros of this website is that it has a diverse category, free registration and online courses. On the other hand, this site has a high commission charge, long payment process. Upwork. Upwork is a freelance marketplace that brings together clients and freelancers from all around the world. From web design and software development to customer service and bookkeeping, the platform covers a wide range of topics. Clients and freelancers can connect in a variety of ways. Clients can post a task and recruit talent, or they can purchase a predetermined service from the project catalog. Similarly, freelancers might use the job board to advertise their services. To begin working as a freelancer on Upwork, you must first create a profile. Make sure it contains information about yourself, your skills, and your work experience. When you apply for work or pitch a project, keep in mind that clients will check your profile to see if you're qualified. Upwork operates on a sliding basis, which means that the more you work, the less you pay. The commission cost, for example, begins at 20% for the first $500 bill and gradually decreases as you receive more money. Withdrawals can be made via direct transfer, PayPal, or wire transfer, among other methods. The pros of this website is that it has payment protection, credible clients, and budget-based projects. On the other hand, cons are lengthy selection process and high service fee. That concludes our list of the best freelance websites for finding work and earning money online in 2022. It doesn't have to be difficult to find a freelance job. The majority of websites merely need you to create an account and a profile. However, before setting up an account, double-check how each freelance website operates. Take into account the payment method, withdrawal method, and service fee. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to get more videos like this.